In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Eprolo to Shopify. If you're ready to streamline your e-commerce operations and enhance the functionality of your online store, you're in the right place. This process will help you integrate Eprolo, a fantastic dropshipping and product sourcing platform, with Shopify, making managing your products and orders more efficient than ever. Before we start, make sure you've already signed up for both Shopify and Eprolo accounts, as this is essential for the integration. Once that's checked off, let's dive into the process. First, log into your Eprolo account. Upon entering, head over to the dashboard. You will want to locate the My Apps tab. This area is crucial because it houses all the integrations available to you. Here, you'll find the Shopify option. Clicking on this will initiate the integration process. Now, it's time to connect your Shopify store. When you click on the Shopify icon, a new page will open, prompting you to enter your store's URL. It's crucial to ensure that you get this URL right. Typically, it follows the format of yours to rename.myshopify.com. Double-check the accuracy to prevent any unnecessary errors that might derail the setup. Once you have entered the correct URL, proceed by clicking the Connect Store button. This action redirects you to Shopify, where you'll need to authorize Eprolo to access your store. It's a security measure. Shopify requires you to approve any app integrations to protect your store's data. On this page, simply read through the permissions, then click on the Install App button to proceed. Now that the Shopify connection is established, return to the Eprolo dashboard. Here, you will notice that Shopify now appears as a connected app. This indicates that Eprolo has successfully linked with your Shopify store, and you're one step closer to efficient dropshipping management. With this connection, all your Eprolo products can be seamlessly imported into your Shopify store. Go ahead to the Eprolo product catalog to start selecting items for your store. Once you've picked the products you want, click on the Import List tab. This feature allows you to review and customize product details before transferring them to your Shopify store. An important tip to remember during customization is to tailor the product titles, descriptions, and images to fit your store's brand voice. This ensures consistency and can help improve your SEO settings on Shopify. Finally, after customizing and confirming your product selections, push them to your Shopify store. This will finalize the integration process, and you'll see the products appear in your Shopify admin panel, ready to be sold. It's a simple action but immensely powerful for store management. To summarize, by following these straightforward steps, you've connected Eprolo to your Shopify store, unlocking a gateway to easier product management and expanded access to global suppliers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!